The chemical manufacturing industry is essential to our modern world. It provides the building blocks for countless products. These products range from plastics and fertilizers to pharmaceuticals and electronics. The industry plays a crucial role in economic growth. It creates jobs and drives innovation across various sectors. Chemical manufacturing is a complex and globalized industry. It involves transforming raw materials into valuable products through sophisticated processes. Understanding this industry is vital. It allows us to appreciate its impact on our daily lives. It also helps us grasp the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Several companies stand out as giants in the chemical manufacturing sector. BASF, a German multinational, holds the title of the world's largest chemical producer. It boasts a diverse product portfolio encompassing chemicals, plastics, performance products, and agricultural solutions. BASF is dedicated to sustainability and is a pioneer in innovative solutions. Another major player is Dow Inc., an American multinational corporation. Dow offers a wide range of products including plastics, chemicals, and agricultural products. The company is heavily invested in digital technologies. It is also actively pursuing sustainability initiatives. The global chemical manufacturing industry is expected to grow in the coming years. However, this growth will likely be uneven across different regions. The Asia-Pacific region, led by China and India, is projected to experience robust growth in chemical production. Europe's chemical industry faces challenges due to high energy prices and economic uncertainties. This has resulted in weaker demand and a slower pace of growth. The US chemical sector presents a mixed outlook. While it benefits from lower energy prices and recovering demand, it also faces challenges from trade tensions and geopolitical instability. Sustainability is no longer optional, it is a necessity. The chemical industry is increasingly recognizing the importance of environmentally friendly practices. This shift is driven by a confluence of factors. These include growing consumer demand for sustainable products, stricter regulations, and a collective responsibility to address climate change. Companies are investing heavily in developing and adopting sustainable solutions. These solutions include reducing greenhouse gas emissions, using renewable energy sources, and implementing circular economy principles. The goal is to minimize the industry's environmental footprint while meeting the growing demand for chemical products. Section 5. Technological advancements shaping the future. Technological advancements are revolutionizing the chemical manufacturing industry. Digital technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics are transforming various aspects of the industry. These technologies are enhancing efficiency, reducing costs, and driving innovation. AI-powered systems can optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and enhance safety protocols. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and insights that were previously hidden. These advancements are enabling companies to produce higher quality products more efficiently and sustainably. Section 6. Geopolitical challenges and their impact. The chemical manufacturing industry operates in a complex geopolitical landscape. Trade tensions, supply chain disruptions, and political instability can significantly impact the industry's dynamics. These factors can lead to increased costs, delays in production, and even complete halts in operations. For instance, trade disputes between major economies can disrupt global supply chains and create uncertainty in the market. When countries impose tariffs or sanctions, it can lead to a ripple effect, causing delays and increased costs for raw materials and finished products. The ongoing war in Ukraine has highlighted the vulnerability of global supply chains and the importance of energy security. The conflict has not only disrupted local industries, but also had far-reaching effects on global markets, particularly in the energy sector. Additionally, political instability in certain regions can disrupt production and transportation routes. This can lead to shortages of essential materials and components, forcing companies to seek alternative sources or halt production altogether. Companies must navigate these challenges by diversifying their supply chains and seeking alternative transportation routes. This often involves strategic planning and investment in new technologies to enhance flexibility and resilience. These geopolitical challenges require companies to adopt flexible and resilient strategies to mitigate risks and ensure business continuity. By staying informed and proactive, businesses can better prepare for and respond to geopolitical disruptions, safeguarding their operations and maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Section 7. Asia-Pacific, a powerhouse of growth. The Asia-Pacific region is the epicenter of growth for the chemical manufacturing industry. This dynamic region is home to some of the fastest-growing economies in the world, making it a crucial hub for global chemical production and innovation. China, the world's second-largest economy, is a major driver of this growth. With its vast industrial base and significant investments in infrastructure, China has positioned itself as a leader in the chemical sector. The country's focus on technological advancements and sustainable practices further enhances its competitive edge. The country's massive manufacturing sector and growing domestic demand create a significant market for chemical products. China's urbanization and industrialization efforts have led to increased consumption of chemicals in various sectors, including construction, automotive, and electronics. India, with its rapidly expanding economy and young population, is another key player in the region's chemical industry. The country's diverse industrial landscape and entrepreneurial spirit contribute to its robust chemical manufacturing capabilities. The Indian government's Make in India initiative aims to boost domestic manufacturing, including chemicals. This ambitious program seeks to transform India into a global manufacturing hub by encouraging investment, fostering innovation, and building best-in-class manufacturing infrastructure. The Asia-Pacific region's favorable demographics, rising middle class, and supportive government policies make it an attractive destination for chemical manufacturers. The region's young and growing population drives demand for a wide range of chemical products, from consumer goods to industrial applications. Additionally, government initiatives across various countries in the region aim to create a conducive environment for business growth, further solidifying the Asia-Pacific status as a powerhouse of growth in the chemical industry. The combination of economic dynamism, strategic initiatives, and a burgeoning consumer base ensures that the Asia-Pacific will continue to play a pivotal role in the global chemical market for years to come. Section 8. Europe's chemical industry navigating uncertainty. Europe's chemical industry faces a challenging environment marked by high energy prices, economic uncertainty, and geopolitical instability. The ongoing war in Ukraine has exacerbated these challenges, leading to increased energy costs and supply chain disruptions. Despite these challenges, Europe's chemical industry remains a global leader in innovation and sustainability. European companies are at the forefront of developing and implementing sustainable solutions, driven by strict regulations and a strong commitment to environmental responsibility. The industry is also investing in digital technologies to enhance efficiency and competitiveness. Section 9. The U.S. chemical sector, a mixed outlook. The U.S. chemical sector presents a mixed outlook characterized by both promising opportunities and significant challenges. On the one hand, it benefits from lower energy prices compared to Europe and a recovering domestic demand. The availability of cheaper energy sources has been a boon for the industry, allowing companies to reduce operational costs and improve profit margins. The shale gas boom in the US has provided access to abundant and relatively cheap natural gas, a key feedstock for chemical production. This has not only lowered production costs, but also spurred investments in new facilities and technologies, further strengthening the sector's competitive edge. On the other hand, the US chemical industry faces challenges from trade tensions, particularly with China. The ongoing trade disputes have led to the imposition of tariffs on a wide range of chemical products, affecting export volumes and profitability. Tariffs and trade barriers have disrupted trade flows and created uncertainty in the market. Companies are finding it difficult to plan long-term investments due to the unpredictable nature of international trade policies. Additionally, the industry is grappling with a shortage of skilled labor and aging infrastructure. The lack of qualified workers has made it challenging to maintain and operate advanced manufacturing processes, while outdated facilities require significant capital for upgrades and maintenance. Despite these challenges, the US chemical sector remains a significant player in the global market. It continues to innovate and adapt, leveraging its strengths in research and development to create new products and improve existing ones. The sector's resilience and ability to navigate complex market dynamics underscore its importance to the broader economy. Looking ahead, the US chemical industry is poised to explore new frontiers, including sustainable and green chemistry initiatives. By focusing on environmentally friendly practices and reducing carbon footprints, the sector aims to meet the growing demand for sustainable products while ensuring long-term growth and competitiveness. Collaboration with global partners and continuous investment in cutting-edge technologies will be crucial for the US chemical sector to maintain its leadership position. As the industry evolves, it will need to address both its internal challenges and external pressures to thrive in an increasingly interconnected world.